Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of logging into Capital One. Secure access in seconds. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth login experience. Step 1. Open your browser. Start by launching your preferred web browser on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for optimal performance. Step 2. Visit the Capital One website. Type in the official Capital One website URL, www.capitalloan.com. Press Enter to navigate to the home page. Step 3. Locate the login button. Once you're on the Capital One homepage, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Step 4. Choose your account type. Capital One offers different account types such as banking, credit cards, and loans. Select the appropriate account type you wish to access. Step 5. Enter your username. You'll be directed to a login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure it is spelled correctly to avoid errors. Step 6. Input your password. Next, enter your password in the provided password field. Ensure that caps lock is off and double check for any typos. Step 7. Click on Sign In. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. Step 8. Two-step verification, if applicable. If you have two-step verification enabled, you'll receive a code via your registered mobile number or email. Input the code in the required field and click Verify. Step 9. Access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Capital One account dashboard, where you can manage your finances. Now that you know how to log into Capital One, secure access in seconds, you can enjoy convenient access to your accounts anytime you need it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials.